Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to log in on OmeTV video chat without Facebook. So let's start. Well, first let's go to Google and write OmeTV video chat, and then let's go to the first option. It's important to know that for login here you need an phone number from Russia. So well, if you don't want to log in with Facebook, just click on a BK option here, and well, if you have an account you can write it here. If you don't have it, you have to create a new account. Just click here on create. As you can see, well, here is the code for write your phone number here. So I recommend you to go to this page that says online team, and here says online to virtual phone number in Russia, so you can use it and you can get access and try it for free. If you can check here, appears the code that says 7 and it's the same on OmeTV. Just click here and you will select the number and you will receive the code. That's for example, in this part you can see how you can share it, and then just for continue the page, well, you can write here the phone number and get the code for login on Key and create your account. So that is the way that you can do it without a Facebook account. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.